How to use Alibaba coupons and discounts. Want to save money on your next Alibaba order? Let's explore how to use coupons and discounts. Start by checking the coupons section on the homepage or your account dashboard. You'll find store coupons, Alibaba wide discounts, and sometimes new user bonuses. When you are ready to buy, click Get Coupon, then add items to your cart. At checkout, your eligible coupons will appear automatically. Just tick the one you want to apply. You'll instantly see the price drop before completing payment. Combine store coupons with seasonal sales like 11.11 or 12.12 to maximize savings. Have you ever grabbed a big discount on Alibaba? Share your best deal in the comments below. And that's how you can use Alibaba coupons and discounts. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.